Starting a business feels exciting, but the truth is most of your early work won't look impressive. You will spend time on small, repetitive tasks that nobody talks about. Setting up systems, fixing mistakes, and learning basic operations will take longer than expected. Success doesn't start with big wins, it begins with consistency in boring work. If you can handle that phase without quitting, you build a real foundation. Many people think a great idea is everything, but execution matters far more. You can have an average idea and still win if you act faster and smarter than others. Talking about your idea won't grow your business. Taking daily action will. Testing, failing, adjusting, and improving is the real process. The sooner you accept that perfection is not required, the faster you will start seeing progress. Cash flow will challenge you more than competition. You might get customers, but managing money is a different game. Expenses appear before profits, and poor planning can destroy a good business. You must track every dollar, control spending, and create a safety buffer. Growth without financial control creates stress. When you understand your numbers clearly, you make better decisions and stay in the game longer. Not everyone will support you, and that's normal. Some people will doubt your decisions, and others will ignore your work completely. Building a business is often a lonely process. You need self-belief more than external validation. Focus on your progress instead of approval. When results start showing, opinions change automatically. Until then, discipline and patience are your strongest assets. The biggest lesson nobody tells you is that success takes longer than expected, but happens faster once momentum builds. Early stages feel slow, but each small effort compounds over time. Consistency creates opportunities you cannot predict. Stay committed even when results are invisible. If you keep improving daily, one moment can change everything. That breakthrough only comes to those who keep going when others stop.